Hey guys, Carlos Perez, and someone asked me a question about the white label app platform. So I'll kind of show them what's involved in it. So again, the client login button is right here. And oh, FYI, the main site, this main marketing site, the website is itself mobile optimized. So I'll show you if you were to basically look at it from a phone, you would notice that everything fits perfectly in there. There's no shifting side to side. Everything lines up. So you can access the menu and all the other features from it mobilely on a mobile phone too. So if you were to go in here and click on the client login, that would take you into the platform at mobile.ibmaps.com. Now someone was asking me like what's involved with actually building an app, because I don't understand how would I code it. Well, there's no coding, and I want to show you an example I did. This was my daughter's app for her record label, and if you notice when I go into it, you're going to see on the on the right hand side that it's already laid out. So when I did this one, it had like a look and feel of her website. So her website was Armani Music Group. .com. So she wanted the same colors and feel and everything on that. So this was her main site, or this is her main site. That's her right there, from Pumpkin. Some people that work with her. This is a pop-up for notifications. I had installed this on her site. That's this down here, so that people would be able to click on allow notifications, and she would be able to send them messages about upcoming events or things like that. So everything we do, everything she does, digital distribution, production, the website development for artists, and smart media automation. Offices in Hollywood. So it's just really, everything to match that look and feel. All of her departments and emails and email addresses for people. So we made it look like that. So as you see, the design, same thing, and I will show you. If you go on the home page, all of the splash images, it has the sizes right here. So I just went and made all of these in those different sizes. You have the option to use the home page image as the background and all features. If you check that, then this background will stay there for everything. You can hide the iOS status bar or hide the Android bar. You choose your country, which is United States, and then the font throughout the whole thing. So once that was laid out, I chose the design, which was the side menu. You'll see that it had like the About Us section. And this is how the app would function. It has a fan wall where fans can post stuff. It had the calendar section. We have no events on calendar. Audio section. So this would connect directly to SoundCloud and stuff. So you can see, you can play all of your music from your artist or whatever it is that you're trying to do with your app. We have the Facebook Connect. So that connects to the Facebook post. So everything she puts up shows through the app as well. A video section where we had that smart video that basically connects with Facebook and it customizes things for you. And then the My Account section, which was going to be a password protected section where people can log in if they were going to be doing stuff on the app like checking their royalties, um, um, seeing when their new releases were being played and what stores, things like that. So basically everything, was created on the app right back here. And it's as simple as really starting off with choosing your colors. So after we put all the splash images up, these images in all those sizes, it was deciding on the color for everything. So if you look, the general, the header, the home page, list, title cards. So all of these control the color of the app. So you see there's nothing but just picking a color and then saving that. Next was the pages. So with the pages, you have all kinds of options. There's nothing that has to be coded into this. You just choose what you want. So we have the about, the fan wall, the calendar, the audio, Facebook, video, and my account. Going down here as you see. But these are other things right here. So let's say she wanted to do, let's see, monetization. You see there's a catalog, so she can put like a catalog of music that can be sold, or she can put stuff from Amazon to be sold. They have the commerce section, discounts, loyalty card. And the loyalty card is just basically going to give you the scratch offs. To add it, you just click add, and that will put it on the menu, and then it'll be inside your app. Set meal, and that was something for restaurants that you can include in there too, so you can work with every kind of business. There's a scratch card where you can scratch off and have coupons and things. There's the QR code that you can basically add that would connect everything right there. Let me take that off. I don't want that in there. Oops. So we're going to delete the QR code because we never had it in there anyway. Okay. And then right here, so after all that is done, like I said, you have integration for everything. WordPress, Shopify, direct links, Magneto, PrestaShop, WooCommerce. You have your calendar section for events, miscellaneous stuff like the code scanner. So if you wanted to install your own QR code scanner in there, you could. If you wanted to have folders where people can download stuff, maps. This padlock is a lock section. Maybe that's something that can be unlocked for, memberships. A tip calculator. The taxi ride is kind of like a Lyft. You can create your own Lyft type app where you can have, people on the app offering rides, and you can monetize that. The privacy policy, places, so people can check in when they're out and about and do things. So, it really gave you every feature, every function possible. So once you added all of that stuff in for all your pages that you wanted to keep, you would just save that section. You would go into the application section. This is where you would see how it's going to look on the phone. This is for the push notification. So on the cell phones, the push notification will come up with the logo and a little thumbnail, and then you can send those messages. And again, the sizes, same thing from the front. And then finally, after everything is done the way you want it, it's really simple. You just publish it, and it's going to create the code for you. So it gives you the build name, the privacy policy information. I can go right here. I can click on generate source if I was doing an iPhone version with ads or an iPhone version with no ads. Click on that. It'll automatically create it. Android version, automatically create it. Android APK version, just generate the APK and then automatically upload it to Apple and Google. And it was that simple. So there's no programming involved whatsoever. You create the source code to automatically upload it. You get all this information. So like once the app is installed, you would basically have information on it like analytics. So let's say you just wanted to see, how the app was performing. You can trace the functionality and everything. This is demo data. So you can see basically how many visitors, how many installs. You'll be able to see where the people are at, the different pages, what people are doing with those various pages. So you get all of that data on every app. And this is an app that you can create an account for this user. They can log in, they can see all this stuff on their own. So you would not have to constantly be giving people reports. Once you built this app for them and you give them their login, then they're able to go in there and they're able to see their stats. They can change text, they can add some things. So as you can see, it's really simple. There's the help section. So you got support, the knowledge base. The Video Academy shows you everything as far as how to use the software. The members area here, again, that's going to be given to you as well. So there's all this training and videos. There's a Facebook group. That's the Apple uploader because it does it through the system, so it's really simple. And then the information on the account, that's where you do the push notifications or anything. So that's really all there was to it. So on creating an app, it's really just hitting on that create button again right there. And it was the same thing with this senior inspector app that I started playing around with, which was just it was going to be an app for people that have someone come out and just basically check on their home, make sure that the elders are okay and things like that. It's the same thing. Choose colors, choose the pages I want. So if I wanted to add more, like this is a request section, so that request would have been on there to request a visit. Like I said, this is just blank data right now. The locations would have basically been like senior friendly places that were in the area. And I still may end up making this app because it's really a great idea. There's the About Us section. There was going to be specials and coupons, so that was going to be there. The restricted area, which could have been for their medications or things they needed, records that could have been there. If they wanted to book an appointment, that would be there completely. Contact information again, and just the login. So you are able to create logins for your app and private member sections if you needed it. So you see these will be the pages. And again, this menu can be here, or it can go on the side if we were doing the layout again. So if we're going back here and doing this layout, we could choose change the layout, and simply we can do the swipe looks nice. That menu, gee, there's so many cool menus, I don't know. Horizontal full layout, layout 18. The circles, the sidebar again, full screen again. Let's see what full screen looks like. So we want the full screen one. You want to see everything covered up like that. No, because that takes away from the picture being there. Okay, let me try another one. I think I'll do the same one I did with the record label app. I think we're going to go with the sidebar. That was layout 7. Let's go with layout 7. And that just goes and it updates. And then I can make it a little translucent. We can put it on a different side. So like I said, you have a lot of options. But again, the same functionality. So there's really nothing to designing the app itself. It's really simple, as you can see. So if you have any questions regarding this, the functionality, how it works, anything, just give me a call. Like I said, I'm getting rid of this platform and giving someone the opportunity to have it. It's already set up, already white labeled, already has the SSL certificates. I will be posting it on Flippa if I don't get any offers from my personal contacts first. Okay? So guys, if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you.